Most people think all cash advance apps are the same, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming no subscription fee means no cost at all. Because in 2026, many apps look free upfront, but they still have hidden conditions that affect how much money you actually get. In this video, we are breaking down the best cash advance apps in 2026 with no subscription fees and how they really work so you can choose the right one. Let's start with the basics. Cash advance apps are tools that let you borrow small amounts of money before your paycheck arrives. Instead of waiting for payday, you get early access to your earned income or a short-term advance. Now here's where it gets interesting. Apps with no subscription fee usually make money in other ways, like optional tips, instant transfer fees, or employer partnerships. So even if the app is free, the speed or amount you receive can still vary. Let's go step by step. First type is earned wage access apps. These apps connect to your work hours and payroll. One example is Dave. Dave is popular because it offers small advances without a monthly subscription. Users like Alex can request small amounts based on their income history, but instant transfers may still include a small fee. Second type is instant cash advance apps. These apps focus on fast funding based on your income patterns. Another example is Earnin. Earnin lets users access money they have already earned without charging mandatory subscription fees. Jake might use it when he needs money before payday, but eligibility depends on work tracking and bank verification. But here's the problem most users miss. Just because there is no subscription does not mean you can borrow unlimited money. Most apps still set limits based on income, job stability, and repayment history. Now let's talk about speed. Free apps often give standard transfers for free, but instant transfers may cost extra. That means you are choosing between waiting longer or paying a small convenience fee. Third factor is approval. Approval is not guaranteed. These apps analyze your income patterns, bank activity, and spending behavior. If your activity is inconsistent, you may not qualify for higher cash advances. Now here's where it gets important. The best app is not always the one with the highest advance. It is the one that fits your income pattern and gives you predictable access without unnecessary fees. In a minute, I'll show you a simple way to compare any cash advance app in under 30 seconds, so you never pick the wrong one again. Now let's simplify everything. Cash advance apps with no subscription fee are best for users who want occasional emergency cash without monthly charges. But they still rely on income tracking and may include optional fees for faster access. Let's summarize clearly. In 2026, the best no-subscription cash advance apps are Dave and Earnin depending on your eligibility. They are helpful for short-term emergencies, but should not be treated as long-term financial solutions. If this helped you understand cash advance apps, make sure to like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more simple finance guides.